Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 12. Question number 12 is here. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and area of the circle. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Here it is given that circumference of the circumference circumference of the circumference of the circumference of the circle is equal to 31.4 centimeter, and we know that circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore this will be equal to this, or you can say that 2 pi r is equal to 31.4, right? You can write it as a 2 into the value of pi is 3.14 into r is equal to 31.4, right? Or r can be written as r is equal to 31.4 divided by 2 into 3.14, or it can be written as, let us change into fraction, that is 314 by 10 into, here it is 3.14, that is 3 or 314 by 100, it will be 100, and it comes to 2 into, this is 31.4, this is not right, let us rub this one, it will be actually 31.4, that comes to 314 by 10, this is into 100 to 314, right? Now this will cut by 1, and this 0 will cut, and 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 5. That means r is equal to, therefore r is equal to 5 centimeter. R is equal to 5 centimeter. Now if you want to find the area of the circle, we know that area of a circle is equal to area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square, The value of pi is 3.14 into r is 5, that is 5 into 5, and the unit will be centimeter square. That means you have to multiply 5 by 25, 3.14 multiply with 25, that is 5 4 is 20, 2 it is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 3 5 is 15. If we multiply by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 3 is 6. If we add all the numbers, that is 0, 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 6 plus 1 is 7, 70, and point is here 78.50. That comes to 78.78. That comes to 78.50 centimeter square, right? Therefore the radius of the circle, therefore the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and the area of the circle and the area of the circle, area of the circle is area of the circle if the circle is 78.50 centimeter square, right? This is the required answer of the question number 12. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.